This is a tutorial on how to create a slideshow in Widgetkit. I do have a folder of pictures that are already pre-sized. They are all the same size. I think they're at 600 by 350 at 71 or at 72 dpi, and those are ready to go. And we're going to start from scratch and upload those and show you how to build a Widgetkit. So let's get started. I am logged into my website, and the first thing I'm going to do is go and upload my content. So I'm going to go to Content and Media. Oops. Let me log back in. Okay, here's my images folder. So I'm going to just create a new one called, let's see, we'll call this Performances. I'm going to click on Create Folder. Okay, and here's my new folder. So I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to upload some files to it. So I want to browse. And these are out on my desktop under a folder called Performances. And here are my pictures I'm going to use in my slideshow. I'm going to start my upload. Okay, so this is all the media that I will be using to create the slideshow. So we can actually get started now with actually creating the slideshow. So I want to go to Components. I'm going to go to Widgetkit. And you can actually upload those from Widgetkit too. I just find that a little bit easier, but it's a personal preference. So I'm going to go to New, and this is going to be a type of custom. And again, it's going to be the slideshow. And we're going to click on Create to make a new one. All right, I'm going to call this Performance Slideshow. Oops. And I'm going to add media. And if I hadn't already uploaded, I could actually upload right here. But this is already here, so we're going to go under our Performances. If I select the whole thing, it will just upload every picture in it. Or if I don't want all pictures in it, I can go in here and just individually check the ones I want or don't want. So we have all of them, and I'm going to select. As you can see, it brings them in right here. It has generated a auto title for them. And I'm just going to kind of leave these as what they are. The content window down here is actually if you want to add content to it. I'm going to use an overlay on the bottom that just shows you how that works. I'm going to put, this is some content. And I'm just going to copy and paste that onto a couple of these. Nothing fancy. And okay, so there's the content that's going to be in our slideshow. And I'm going to click over here to Settings. And this kind of controls how the slideshow is shown. The navigation, the dot nav is like the three little dots on a slideshow, or you can actually do thumbnails if you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and just do thumbnails just to show you what that looks like. And I can change the size of those thumbnails. And the current burns actually will do kind of a quick zoom in effect. It's kind of neat, and it's like it almost kind of zooms in for just a moment. I'm going to leave that off right now. I'll let you play with all the settings. So if I wanted to make these all one specific width or height, this is where you do that. And under content, I want to show my title, show content. I don't want to show a badge. So content size, I'm going to put that as maybe heading 4. And I don't have links. And under general, everything looks good there. And let me click through here because I missed the overlay. The overlay is important if you actually are using the content is visible. I'm going to put this at the bottom. And the animation, yeah, we'll leave a slide. And I'm going to click on Save. And then Save and Close. And I'm going to go over here and add this to an existing article. I have one down here called Widgetkit Samples. Alright, so I'm going to go down here to Widgetkit, and I'm going to find my performance slideshow, click on that, and I'm going to put slideshow out to the side just so we know what this is. And I'm going to click on Save and Close. And I'm going to go out here to my Widgetkits. And I'm going to refresh my page, and at the bottom, here is my slideshow. These are the thumbnails for it, and here is my content and title. And depending on your layout, it may look differently. Sometimes the layout is directly bigger, smaller, sometimes it's a different color. It really just depends on how your site's set up. You'll notice that the ones that have the content, they auto size, and the ones that just have the title are a little bit, let me get past these, are a little bit smaller. Okay, that's all there is to it. Thank you.